Welcome to Soundspell, the sound way to spell, the right way to read. I'm Sophia, founder of Soundspell and creator of the Soundspell system. The sound way to reading, step 4, oral phrases. Using two sound words in phrases. The objective of this lesson is for children to become more familiar with the words they learnt and what they mean. They listen to grammatically correct sentences, they learn word order, and are prepared to read these words and sentences in Book 1 when they learn phonics. Children will use 15 words they learnt in Step 2 in meaningful phrases. This will take about 5 days. You only need a few minutes per day. They are reading in their head. They are not reading the words by sight. There is no sight words component in Soundspell at all. Everything is logically learned through sounds and building. Use the following 4 words in phrases. Am. Phrases beginning with I am. I am a baby. I am a girl. I am a boy. I am a woman. I am a man. I am a mum. I am a dad. Phrases beginning with I am a. I am a doctor. I am a vet. I am a teacher. I am an electrician. I am a builder. I am a farmer. I am a chef. An. Phrases beginning with an. Listen to these phrases. An ant, an apple, an ox, an orange, an antelope, an elephant, an angry man. Kids can look at this screen and they can repeat the words after you, the phrases after you. They don't need to be reading. As, as. Similes using as. This is an oral exercise. As hot as the sun, as cold as ice, as white as snow, as black as night, as bright as day, as big as an elephant, as small as an ant. At, at. Phrases beginning with at home, at school, at the beach, at the park, at night, at noon. Day 1 review. Am, an, as, at. Okay, so those phrases were just demonstrating how these words can be used commonly in phrases. They're not full sentences, they're phrases, and some of them are similes. It is not important at this stage for kids to learn these phrases, to memorize them, or to be able to use them, or even to understand them. This is just exposure in the early years. They're being exposed to good language. Egg, egg. In day 2, we're going to expose kids to phrases, beginning with a something lays an egg. This is a very different kind of activity. This is learning, this is increasing their vocabulary, increasing their general knowledge. Okay, it's just an exposure to the word egg. So every slide will begin with a something lays an egg. An emu lays an egg. An ostrich lays an egg. A kiwi lays an egg. A hen lays an egg. A quail lays an egg. A turtle lays an egg. A snake lays an egg. A fish lays an egg. An ant lays an egg. A butterfly lays an egg. A frog lays an egg. A crocodile lays an egg. Ebb, ebb, ebb. Kids, just listen to this. This is exposure to the word. It is not necessary for them to repeat these slides. These are higher level words and phrases. Many of these are not even used very commonly. So they're just being exposed to the word ebb. We may feel sad in the ebb and flow of life. As the sun set, the tide started to ebb. The waves of the sea ebb and flow. At night, the moon's light may ebb and wane. Sometimes our energy levels ebb. The river's current may ebb. The day's heat begins to ebb away. The wind's strength may ebb. As I said, they're just being exposed. You're just reading these words and phrases to them, and they will learn these later on in life. Using the following words in 4 words in phrases. If, is, in, it. If. Listen to these sentences or phrases. If I was home, if you stay, if I go, if they go, if you eat, if it rains, if I like it, if you come with me, if it fits, if I win. In, in, in. Listen to these phrases. In the bin, in a tin, in the game, in a box, in an egg, inside, indoors, in line, in case, instead. Is, is. Listen to these phrases. Is this his? Is it his dad? Is it for miss? Is it in the bin? Is it in a tin? Is it time? Is it over? Is it yours? Is it in an egg? Is it on? Is it off? Is it on an ox? Is it for us? Is it up? Is it in an ebb? You may decide whether the children need to repeat after you. That depends on their age and ability. You may just want to expose them to these sentences. It, it. Oral sentences using it. It is in the bin. It is in a tin. It is his. It is in an egg. It has a fin. It is odd. It is true. It is on. It is an ebb. It is mine. It is yours. It is gone. It is up. It is fair. It is on an ox. If, is, in, it. That's day 3 review. Using the following 2 words in phrases. On, on. Listen to these phrases. On a box, on and off, on the ox, on the floor, on top of a rock. Of, of. Listen to these phrases using of. I am tired of watching TV. I'm sick of the same food. on top of an ox, on top of a mountain. Of course I will do it. The egg of an ostrich is green. It is the juice of an orange. It is my box of toys. It is a cup of hot milk. The color of the sky is blue. If you share a box of puzzles, play for a time of 10 minutes inside. A box of chocolates is his. The snowman melts the sunshine. It is a day of fun. It is an ebb at the end of the day. Or off, off. Listen to these phrases using off. Back off, get off, go off, blast off, let off steam, brush it off, cool off, carry off, cut off, dry off the mark, play off to sleep, hats off, hit it off the hook. Up, up. Day 5 overview of up, us, up, us. Use the following 2 words in phrases. Upstairs, up there, up above, up on, up the stairs, up in the sky, get up, got up, zip up, sit up, stand up, face up, look up, roll up. You may want to say these several times using actions. Kids can demonstrate using actions, using their hands or using their eyes or their head to make these expressions come alive. Us, us, us. Encourage kids to be expressive using these phrases. For us, give us, forgive us, not us, look at us. Is it for us? If it is not for us, it is up to us. Is it up to us? It is not up to us. You have finished step 2 of the sound way to read. Step 4 of the sound way to read. You have learnt many phrases and sentences using 2 sound words. The next step is to learn phrases using 3 sound words. They are the words you learned in step 3 when we did onset and rhyme. So in onset and rhyme step 3 we learnt 35 words. These are going to be used in phrases in the next video. I'll see you then.